Homemade cough syrup is one of the best things to have on hand during cold and flu season. Welcome to my moon boosting series where each Friday I share moon boosting recipes to help you stay healthy this cold and flu season. We're keeping things going with this homemade cough syrup recipe. The base is onion and garlic, and I like to enhance it further with rosemary and cinnamon. All the ingredients combined create a super effective antioxidant rich syrup that work great to soothe the sore throat and reduce congestion. All you do is add everything to a clean jar, cover with honey, let it infuse on the counter for 24 hours, strain it and store it in the fridge, and you have a great homemade cough syrup on hand for whenever you need.